How to turn off HDR effect on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app and log into your account. Click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find settings in here. You'll find settings on bottom left corner of your screen. Click on settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on general settings, which is the second option. In here you'll find HDR effect, below silently and above history. To turn off, make sure there is no red color on it. Make sure white circle is on the left side. That's how to turn off HDR effect on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.